Hey guys, Roy here. I know sometimes life can feel so real. You know, it could feel like you're never gonna get out of the phase that you're in. And I'm telling you, you will. Promise you, you will. As long as you keep going, man. You know, sometimes we have to start over again. Sometimes we go after a certain dream or life that we think at the time is for us, and it's not. And I'm here to tell you because I've been through it. And it's just a phase, man. It really is just a fucking phase. And here are 3 things that really helped me when I was going through this. Number 1, understanding that there's a reason behind it. There's a purpose. And I'm sure deep down you know and you can feel it, like something's not right. It's not fun anymore. It's not the same anymore. And you just have to understand and trust that there's a purpose behind why you're going where you're going through. And that it might feel like you're starting over again, but in reality, it's a new beginning. You know, it's not over. It's a new fucking beginning. Number 2, giving yourself time to rest and to analyze everything that happened. You know, process the situation, process that phase in your life, and what went good, what went bad, why. Just give yourself time, man. Give yourself patience. I know sometimes it's hard. At least for me it is. You know, it's hard for me when you really think that your life is going to go one way and it just does a complete 180. And I realized that you have to give yourself that time to really process everything that happened. You got to be patient. You have to be patient, not only with, again, life, but with yourself. Because if you allow yourself to beat the shit out of yourself, it's a route that you really don't want to go. And again, I've been there, I've done that, and it's just not worth it, man. Like, you wanna have your thoughts on your side, not against you. And number 3, knowledge. But make sure it's applied knowledge. See, there's a lot of information out there that can change your life within a moment. But you have to go find it, man. And we all have different preferences of what we like, what we don't like. So it's very intuitive. You have to just trust your gut, trust your soul that it's leading you to exactly what you need at that moment, at that time in your life. But it can really help propel this phase of, again, just feeling like you hit rock bottom, just feeling like you have to start over again. It really is mind-blowing how much chunks of information can just really change the way you view shit, like your whole perspective on your situation, on where you're heading. And I'm telling you, man, just find something that you enjoy to learn about, something you really feel can help you even just take one little step forward. I promise you, it's gonna help you tremendously. And then you're gonna understand why everything happened the way that it did, and understand that this is temporary. What you're going through is temporary. It's not going to be there forever. Just like no storm lasts forever. So I'm telling you, keep going, man. No matter how bad it gets, no matter how much pain you feel, how much it fucking sucks, embrace it and keep going. You gotta feel it. You gotta go through that pain so you can get to the other side. All right, guys. Much love. As always, thank you for the love. Subscribe, like, comment. Knowledge to live by, fam.